All right, so this is kind of like a long dream that I had, where I'm playing a fretless instrument, but I was using a Ravish sitar pedal so that I could get it to basically tell me, tell me what exact pitches to play. And these are not like the exact same pitches you would get from like MIDI. These are like just intonation. Like that note. Yeah, so instead of simply setting a drone note plus a scale, which is what you do if you have Samvada, you literally just like have a whole chord progression, which could be your whole song. And the cool thing would be, I just will do this. All right, I have it do some changes. So I'll just do like C Rust, and I'll just have it do 332 332. So while it's doing that, the drone strings are actually different. Anyways, that's it.